Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Then towards the crease, fold the corner. Cut according to the crease with the aid of scissors. Fold the remaining page into two equal halves and press it. Then form triangular shapes from the corners. Fold a larger triangle towards the bottom and press it. Pull upward. Fold towards the crease and press it. Now fold it and press. Form the wings of the plane and press it well. Now cut according to the creases. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glass of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Now form the tail of the plane and press it well. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.